So good afternoon, students. So today we will discuss about IC engines, okay, and also the working model of the IC engine, working principle of the 4-stroke diesel engine. So before that, we should know what is IC engines. So heat engine is a device that converts the heat energy into the useful work. Heat energy into the useful work by means of combustion of fuel. So basically, the heat engine is classified into two types. One is a IC engine, that is internal combustion engine. Another one is a EC engine, external combustion engine. Internal combustion engine means the combustion of fuel, that is fuel air mixture. The combustion of fuel is takes place inside the cylinder. It is called internal combustion engine. For example, diesel engine and petrol engine. External combustion engine means the combustion of fuel takes place outside of the cylinder. For example, turbines like steam turbine and gas turbine. So before going there, we should know what are the terminologies in the IC engine. So first terminology is the bore. Bore is nothing but it is the internal diameter of the cylinder. So the cylinder is the round cylindrical shaped casting. So the internal diameter of the cylinder is called bore. The second terminology is the TDC, that is called top dead center or inner dead center. The top dead center means the movement of the piston. The extreme topmost position is called top dead center. Same like the bottom dead center, also it is called as dead center. Okay, bottom dead center or dead center. It is the extreme position of the piston movement. It is the lowermost position inside the cylinder. It is called bottom dead center. Then stroke. Stroke is nothing but the movement of the piston from one dead center to the another dead center. It is called stroke. That is stroke length. Okay. Then compression ratio. It is the ratio between the cylinder ratio to the clearance volume. Cylinder volume to the clearance volume. The cylinder volume is nothing but sum of the swept volume and the clearance volume, that is denoted as V is equal to Vc plus Vs. Vc is the clearance volume, Vs is the swept volume. So the compression ratio, again I am telling, the compression ratio is the ratio of cylinder volume to the clearance volume. So the compression ratio for the diesel engine is in the range of 6:1 to 10:1. For petrol engine, 16:1 to 26:1. Okay, then the clearance volume. The clearance volume Vc is nothing but the space, okay, the created when the piston is in the top dead center position. Okay, then swept volume, it is the space or volume created by the movement of the piston from the one dead center to the top dead center. So these are the terminology of the IC engines. The IC engines also classified into many types based on the some criteria. Okay, the first type is the number of stroke. The first one is 2-stroke engine, 4-stroke engine. Then types of fuel used for engine. To convert the heat energy into some type of work. What are the fuels? Diesel engine, petrol engine, petrol, gas or gasoline. These are. Then based on the working cycle, it is classified into some types: Otto cycle, diesel cycle, then dual cycle. Then based on the lubrication system, it is classified into two types: wet lubrication, dry lubrication. Based on the cooling system, it is classified into two types: air cooling system, water cooling system. And based on the application, it is classified into aircraft, marine, automotive, locomotives. These are the types of IC engines. This is the working model of 4-stroke single cylinder diesel engine. So the basic components of engine is the first cylinder bar, then cylinder head. This is the piston, connecting rod, crankshaft, camshaft, then frame. First, the cylinder is nothing but it is the round cylindrical casting. The piston which slides up and down inside the cylinder. This is made up of grey cast iron or aluminium materials. So the top of the engine cylinder is the cylinder head. It is also made up of cast iron and aluminium. It consists of water jackets, fuel injector, because this is the diesel engine. So fuel injector, inlet valve, outlet, exhaust valve. Here this is the 4-stroke engine, so that we called the valve. The same, the 2-stroke engine we called as port. Okay. So this is made up of also a cast iron and aluminum. Then piston, it is the device which transmits the energy, okay, to the connecting rod. The connecting rod, the small end of the connecting rod is connected with the piston. The big end of the connecting rod is connected with the crankshaft. This connecting rod converts the rotary motion of the piston, reciprocating motion of the piston into the rotary motion to the crankshaft. This is also made up of aluminum nickel alloys, some alloys, cast iron, some alloys. So the crankshaft, it is the device which is getting the power from the piston as well as connecting rod. Okay, it is made up of steel alloy steel and edgy steel. It is made up of. Then other part of the engine cylinder is the camshaft. The cam is the main part which actuates the opening and closing of the inlet valve and also exhaust valve. Then another one is the flywheel. It is the big wheel attached to the cylinder. It controls the speed of the vehicle. This inlet valve and exhaust valve made up of nickel chrome or chrome molybdenum, which allows to input air and fuel mixture, because this is the diesel engine. Here during the suction stroke only air is sucked from the environment. From the top dead center to bottom dead center the piston moves. This is called the suction stroke. Again the piston moves from the bottom dead center to top dead center. This is called compression stroke. At the end of the compression stroke, from the fuel injector the fuel is sprayed. So the end of the compression stroke, the air is compressed up to 300 kN per meter square. The temperature is 700 degrees Celsius. Due to the high pressure and the temperature, the fuel injector sprays the fuel diesel. It ignites. That is called ignition. So during the ignition expansion stroke, again the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. The final stage is exhaust. From the VDC to TDC, the band gases are exhaust and power is to the flywheel. It is used for the applications. So these are the working model. This is the working principle of the. In 4-stroke there are 4 strokes: suction, compression, expansion, exhaust. So the complete 4-stroke it gives the 1 output. 2 revolution of crankshaft it gives the 1 power output. This is the 4-stroke diesel engine working principle. Petrol engine, the small modification. Instead of using the fuel injector, we are using the spark plug. In petrol engine, during the suction stroke, air and the fuel mixture from the carburetor suction and its input to the cylinder. But here only air is sucked from the environment. This is the major difference between the diesel engine as well as petrol engine. Okay, in upcoming classes, we will discuss about other type of engines, 4-stroke petrol as well as 2-stroke diesel and petrol engine. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.